Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And today guys, I have the Aureday Phone Tripod, and of course it's a great tripod that's ideal for your cameras, or of course it can work fine with your smartphones. Now of course this works best with smartphones such as your Android phones, Samsung, or of course your Apple devices. As a tripod, it's great as you can mount and shoot videos. I like that it comes with a number of additional fixtures which we're going to look at later on. As you can see here, it's holding currently a Samsung Galaxy A16, and of course while the case is on, it holds it perfectly and everything is balanced. Now let's look at the build features. First of all, it comes with these rubberized feet. They sit perfectly on any desk, and of course you could allow this to stand straight up or bend the legs. As you can see here, I've bent the legs and I can easily adjust them in various positions, including wrap them around stuff or just have them stand straight up. The legs themselves, all three, can move independently, and of course you can actually set them in various conditions based on your mounting setup. All right, these sections come with this soft rubberized material. There's a solid piece right here, and the legs pivot in and out. Right here we have this ball socket that allows the phone itself to be positioned back and forth, so you can actually rock 360 degrees in either direction. You can tighten the hole in terms of how loose it is or how free it is. You can actually turn and adjust and pivot. Now what I like also is that you get some nice accessories as seen here. You get this Bluetooth option, and of course you can use it if you need, and once connected to your phone, whether iPhone or of course Android, it can be used to take photos or used to take videos, so you can actually use it to snap. All right, next we have the head section here that attaches and clips to your phone. You can actually adjust it to any height, and of course that makes it very flexible, especially for future phones. This attachment can be switched out with this one, and this would accommodate a GoPro, so you can actually have an attachment for a GoPro or anything that has a similar connection that allows connections using this mechanism. All right, so the GoPro is the only one I know that can do that, and of course everything works just fine. It is perfect. It just comes in at a very solid height, so you can actually position it on your desk. If you want more height, you can actually adjust the legs to be straight, and as you need more, like less height, you can actually pivot the legs down, and that's very flexible in my opinion, and I find it very nice in terms of doing all kind of video recording. You can actually do this without any help. In cases where you have to get somebody to hold the camera, with this you do not need that. You can use it to take selfies, you can use it to shoot your videos, and once you capture that perfect video, you can actually use the remote to set things off, and then you can edit later on. It's a nice addition, and of course I definitely recommend it. It's the best one I've owned so far. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to check this out for yourself. Do hope you enjoy the tutorial, and let's talk about some of the pitfalls. So far I haven't found any issues. It's made of plastic, so bear that in mind. Maybe you'd want a more durable material, but I find that plastic works fine, and also it covers a wide variety of phones, mainly phones and GoPros. All right, so there's no support for like a camera, so you want to bear that in mind as well. Otherwise I don't think I've found anything else. I give this easily a 4.5 out of 5 stars, and of course if you have direct questions you can ask them. I find that it's very well made and it's really nice. So of course, see you in the next one guys, and you check out the link in the description. Bye.